Welcome aboard the Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner. Karibu nyumbani. Welcome to Zanzibar. The captain is currently giving the flight briefing, sharing important details about our route, estimated flight time, and any alternate airports you might need. He's also updating us on the current weather conditions, the status of the aircraft, and emergency procedures for takeoff and landing. This briefing is crucial for keeping us as crew aligned and ready for a smooth journey. So, without further ado, we are ready to go.